What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers. Right about now, people, me a drop a attack. A real attack. No joke attack. No play attack. Because you see wicked people. You see evil people. Yo, me I tell us a straight attack for them, my viewers and subscribers. So throwing back now, people, to a story that I did covered, my people, about a very sad and terrible and drastical incident that took place down there, people. Them say between St. Anne and Clarendon, way up in the hills, people. You understand? Them saying our place, them Claremont people, but them say way up between the border, people. You understand? Where a couple was cut down, my people. And this couple weren't no young people. They were elders in their 60s, my viewers and subscribers. See? So this incident happened a couple of weeks ago, my viewers and subscribers. And I did cover this story. And the time of covering this story, my people, you don't know, so them never have, you understand, nobody in custody at the time. Then shortly after that, you hear so them have a person, you understand, have interest in custody. Because when him comes up on people, basically, you know, I'm going to tell you now, go on. Them say 3 occupants was at the house. You understand? That are the couple, my people, and then 1 other person. So this intruder now, my viewers and subscribers, come inside the house with him gunfire shot, hitting the couple and hitting the 3rd person. So in himself now, people, him believes that him get rid of the 3 person them and managed to make his escape. Sadly, the couple passed away, but the 3rd person managed to live. And the 3rd person, people, don't see him, don't know who him is. So the 3rd person managed to give the police the information about the look and identity of the person. So the police comes and boom and make swift action and capture this perpetrator, my viewers and subscribers. When them check people, this same thing now is a 36-year-old male from another part in St. Anne where him base, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So after that now, people, them have an identification thing where this witness comes boom and identify him and say, yes, this is the same thing that come inside the house. This is the same thing that fired the shot them. This is the same thing that shot me and killing the lovely couple. Sadly, my people. Well, now, my people, after me comes boom, no one hear the same thing. Me and do my checks and everything. Investigation, because you don't know the attacking boss got to work. Attack them NEWLINK. People, this same thing you know, you understand. Is even a YouTuber. This same thing you know, who also have a channel on YouTube, people, with him lovely, you know what I mean, love one, me people, where my showcase and I go on nice and I go on this and I go on that. But deep inside have a evil heart inside, my viewers and subscribers. See? Yes. Because right now, he has been charged for the murder of this couple and for attempted murder and shooting with intent and illegal possession of firearm in this gruesome and brutal incident. Up until press time, people, lot of information a leak, lot of things a go so people. You understand? Whole heap of things attack. They behind this and I say, what a wicked act this boy commit. You understand? A lot of different saying this, saying that, say, yeah, this are the reason why I'm doing this, people. Some people have said that, some people have said that. But all me can say, my viewers and subscribers, this enough of them something, yeah? When we see a come some woman and start up them YouTube something, yeah, only for them we see, you know, people. Them are wicked, you know? Them are evil, you know? You can't trust them, you know, people. See? Because deep inside now, my people, them are trying to gamble and win money. For winning the views, winning this, winning that, people. And when them now win it, my people, the evil just turn up inside of them. And this is where they strike. This is where they strike. Because when could I have a heart from now, people? What this elder couple could have do him now? What them could have do him? So, make him decide that him a go come so boom and carry out such a gruesome and wicked act. Where want horse? Where want money? Where him want land? Where him want people? Where there's something on the people them see but I know, so look at now, this is the dirty perpetrator behind this thing. And we have to come some man, you know what I mean, give him up to the cops, give him up to the feds. That's what people. But deep inside him pray something so wicked and so gruesome people. To manage and find himself the people inside the people them house in the night and them say it weren't too late enough people and manage to come some boom and carry out him wicked act. Oh my word, oh my precious NEWLINK. Just imagine now people how the loved one feel. You know what I mean? Because if him do this behind the loved one back, you know, and him not say nothing, he not say babes, you know what I mean? Because a lot of time enough viewers and subscribers, me I gotta be honest and truthful. A lot of time we say some wicked incident happened, some cruel things occurred people. And you know say the woman them do know what go on. You know say the woman them do have an idea, then do have an idea what go on. Because the same thing then comes up when them sit down and them plan together because them always know what go on because people and people may have them difference, my people. You understand? And when I check out the whole thing, people, look you know. Them say him come from a party in our center. We about done this to my viewers and subscribers. And he managed to find him way up in the hills up there, so. So that means him have some attachment, him have some things to do, people. That's him find him way up there, so. Me hear some people that say he was a helper in the yard. You understand? Him is a man that go in the yard and work sometime. Me hear some people say this, some people say that. My people. But what could that be so? What could that be the reason that him find himself all the way up there, so my people? He was a family member. Judge says, Judge knows, but as me tell you people, the wickedness now is striking up. The wickedness now is turn up. And it managed to find him way up there in the hills. Going at the house, beat it up, bap. See? Hitting the two couple same time, not chatting people. Hitting the third person. But Jah was there in the midst to save that third person life. Them would have said, dead man tell no tears, people. Because if that third person was dead, then him gone free. Because there weren't no camera there. There weren't no other witnesses there. Unless they have some good police who are going to conduct some deep investigation and find out that some local good thing did that go on. Then they come say, boom, man, do this and do that. Now we know Jamaica go people. I want to the hardest thing this now figure solve. But luckily my people, by Jah gracious, that third person survived and managed to give up the same thing. As me telling the people, you don't want to look at the same thing over there on YouTube. You don't want to look and see it, I can see it go on. But deep inside, it is a evil. Deep inside, it is a demon. Deep inside me people, more and more attack for it. You know what I mean? Because yo, people not for wicked so. People not for cruel so. People not for heartless so. And a straight attack. No joke, no leniency, no play with the attack. Anyway, it the people, a attack for it. You understand? Okay. My people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, more blessings. Go on do the thing. Go on support the thing. Go on rate the thing. Go on subscribe to the thing. Go on like the thing. Go on share the thing. Because what we say, fully attack. Peace out, my people. One love, one respect. You don't know, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Like the video, them share the video, them subscribe. Thank you so much. Tell a friend to subscribe. And come on, jump in and attack them, my people. Bless some attack on them. I want to them. Peace out.